Fanimation ceiling fan remotes are built to handle two main jobs: controlling fan speed and managing the light. And once you understand these basics, daily use becomes very simple. Fan speed is adjusted using the up and down arrows, usually offering several speed levels so you can fine-tune airflow, while the light button lets you turn the light on or off and dim it on compatible models. Some advanced Fanimation remotes also include features like sleep timers, home away mode for energy savings, and fresh air or breeze modes that vary the fan speed for a natural feel. Older Fanimation fans rely on dip switches inside the remote and receiver, which must match exactly to avoid interference from nearby devices, while newer models are often pre-paired from the factory. If pairing is needed, you simply turn off power at the breaker, restore it, and within 60 seconds hold the set or learn button on the remote for about 5 seconds until you get a confirmation. When a remote stops responding, start with fresh batteries. Make sure you're within about 10 to 20 feet of the fan, and repair it if needed, since these steps fix most issues. Newer smart Fanimation fans go even further with Bluetooth app control, voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, and smart home integration, making it easy to control speed, lighting, and special modes from your phone or with your voice.